friends.
Hi friends.
Today we are going to have some fun. This is my little grandson and he and I together are going to have some fun. And this fun actually does not mean that you need to be of a certain age. You could be of any age and enjoy yourself. Let's all go back to the roots, go back to the earth, and let's do some things with the soil. You know that children who play in the soil or people who play with the soil, their immunity always increases. And this is the right time to increase our immunity as well as to feel the earth and enjoy it. We have here some sieved mud which you can take from your pot or from the soil around. In these times when things are not easily available, we can work with the basic things which are available around. Here we have some sieved soil and we are going to add some water to it. And we are going to make a dough out of it and enjoy ourselves. Come on. Let's mix it. Baby, let's mix it. Mix it. Put your hand in. Mix it.
Why is it now?
We have to mix it, no? Then we can make something out of it. See how nice it feels in the hand. See? Put your hand here and see how nice it feels. See? Here. Take it in your hand.
I can't.
You can very easily take it. Take it and see. Take it here. See? Take it in your hand. And we're going to make it into a nice, and this is how the mud has been with the water. Here, take it. Take it in your hand.
Which one?
Anyone you want to take, and you can start with rolling it in your hand.
Roll.
Roll. Yes. Take more. You want smaller piece?
Yes.
It feels so nice and cool in your hands, as well as it works on all the pressure points in your palms.
What in the water?
Yes, he is working with the water. Come on, let's do it.
Then mix it.
And I'm going to make something out of it. I'm going to make
Door.
a door. No, I'll make a cup. Can I make a cup?
Yes.
What will you make?
And
Take.
I make the door.
Yes, take to make the door. Okay.
Give it to me.
This is how it is, and one could mold it to make. It's okay. It's okay. Let it fall.
Oh, I don't know. What are you doing?
Here, let's see. Here, now I'm making a cup. We require some dry mud also. This has got a little bit more water in it. The mud in your hands actually really feels good.
I wanted one.
Yes, and it's a lot of fun. And you can create whatever you want. Maybe you make it even into a rock and let it dry. And maybe after a day or two, when it has dried completely in the sun, you could paint it and have a nice memento for yourself of the fun that you had together. Something like this, which could be dried, and once it's set, you could use colors on it and paint it. And you could make some.
Stop it.
Yes, and come, can we make a small one for you? Do you want to make a small rock for you? Or what do you want to make? Soil, I've taken it from the pots. So there is always sand mixed in the pot soil. That's required so that the water is drained in the pots. But if you take soil from the ground, yes, that's good fun. Yes, you could also make your handprints. You could form objects when the soil is basically only pure mud. That's good fun. So I'm trying to mold objects, but I may not be able to mold. But the whole idea is to have a lot of fun, splashing and throwing and feeling the soil and enjoying the feeling of the soil. Yes, you can do it yourself.
What are you doing? Look.
To actually flatten out all this wet soil and going to dry it in the sun. It will set once it's in the sun, and it will become like a plate, and I'll be able to remove it out after 2 or 3 days.
Then we can color it.
Yes, and we can then color it, and we can use it as a garden decoration.
Oh, huh.
Yes. Let's pat it down. Let's pat it down.
Oh.
That's okay.
In my
Since I've used pot soil, it will not be formed into any objects. But you could take garden soil, sieve it and use it, and have a lot of fun with your children doing it. In fact, it's also very good for older people to do it because it's good for their movements of their hands, their fingers, and you could have a lot of fun forming things. These days, children cannot go out, cannot feel the soil beneath their feet, cannot actually have the soil running through their palms, and this way you can bring back earth inside and also work with the children and let them enjoy themselves. Let them also get a lot of fun and immunity. The little bit of care that you need to take is that your nails should be chopped, cut, trimmed before you start to work in the mud, and after you've done everything, you need to brush out all the mud and clean the hands completely well, and take care that the children do not put their hands in the mouth. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this some little fun.
not in
Say thank you.
Thank